Every home deserves warmth, personality, and the touch of human hands. That's what handcrafted decor brings, an authenticity that no factory can replicate. Behind every carved edge, polished surface, and painted detail lies the heartbeat of an artist who transforms ordinary materials into extraordinary beauty. But here's the powerful truth: beauty alone isn't the end of this story. Your creativity can be more than a form of expression, it can be a steady, sustainable source of income. In this narration, we explore how woodcraft decor, from small accent pieces to statement art, can do more than beautify homes. It can build a business that thrives on originality, craftsmanship, and connection. You'll learn how to turn your ideas into products that customers love, how to market them effectively, and how to maintain consistent sales that transform creativity into stability. Whether you're crafting in a small workshop, a corner of your garage, or a full studio, the key to success is recognizing that every creation can carry both meaning and money. Your talent isn't just artistic, it's entrepreneurial. Let's dive into the art and strategy behind crafts that sell. The home decor market is booming, and handmade woodcrafts sit right at its heart. Modern buyers are turning away from mass-produced items, craving pieces that feel authentic, personal, and timeless. This growing demand has opened a vast opportunity for creators who combine imagination with craftsmanship. From wall art and candle holders to trays, clocks, and small sculptures, the possibilities are endless and profitable. Start with small, consistent sellers, pieces that are simple to craft, easy to ship, and always in demand. Floating wooden shelves, picture frames, candle stands, and key holders fall into this category. They're fast to make, low in material cost, and can be customized to match different interior styles. Each small sale builds trust and visibility. Once buyers appreciate your quality, they'll return for bigger, higher-priced items like wooden mirrors, centerpieces, or custom wall panels. The beauty of handmade decor lies in flexibility. You can shape your line around different themes: rustic farmhouse, minimalist modern, boho chic, or classic elegance. Each style has a dedicated audience searching online for unique accents. For example, a set of rustic coasters with burned wood patterns may attract cabin owners and nature lovers, while sleek, geometric candle holders in ash or walnut draw modern apartment dwellers. The more defined your style, the easier it is for buyers to identify your brand. But crafting what sells doesn't mean sacrificing creativity. It means designing with intention. Think of every item as solving a subtle need, maybe a wooden tray that makes coffee time feel refined, or a hand-carved wall hanging that transforms an empty hallway into art. The combination of utility and beauty is what keeps your products selling consistently. Marketing plays an equally crucial role. In the digital era, presentation is half the craft. When potential buyers see your products, they should feel the emotion behind them: calm, warmth, nostalgia, or inspiration. Use natural light when photographing your work, let the textures and grains tell their story. Show items in real settings: a wooden bowl holding fruit, a lamp illuminating a cozy corner, a shelf displaying a beloved collection. People don't just buy decor, they buy the feeling it creates. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Instagram shops are your storefronts to the world. Each offers space for handmade creators to shine. Start by listing your top 5 or 10 designs, writing descriptions that highlight not only materials and size but the story behind each piece. For instance, instead of wooden candle holder, write, crafted from reclaimed oak. This candle holder brings warmth and history to every table. Stories sell, they give meaning, and meaning creates loyalty. As you build an online presence, consistency matters. Post regularly, engage with followers, and share glimpses of your process: sanding, carving, painting, packaging. People love seeing the human side of creation. It transforms a simple transaction into a connection. That emotional bond is what makes a buyer return, recommend, and even wait for your next release. Let's talk about diversification. To achieve steady income, create a mix of small and large items. Small crafts bring frequent sales, while larger, higher-value pieces increase overall earnings. Offer seasonal collections: autumn leaf carvings, Christmas ornaments, or spring floral decor, to tap into moments when buyers are most motivated. Limited editions create urgency, encouraging quicker purchases and higher engagement. Pricing your crafts requires balance. It's easy to undervalue handmade work, especially when competing with mass-produced alternatives. But remember, your value isn't in price, it's in quality, uniqueness, and the time you invest. Calculate your costs carefully: materials, finishes, tools, and hours spent. Then, add a fair profit margin. If a wooden centerpiece takes a full day to design and polish, price it to reflect that artistry. Customers who love craftsmanship understand that handmade means one of a kind. For those looking to scale, think beyond individual sales. Wholesale opportunities to boutiques, interior designers, and event planners can provide consistent orders. Local cafes, hotels, and spas often look for handcrafted pieces that tell a story. Pitch your work as decor that brings local soul or sustainable charm. Present samples, offer small discounts for bulk orders, and establish long-term partnerships that keep income steady even during slower online months. And speaking of sustainability, it's one of your strongest selling points. Consumers today are more eco-conscious than ever. Highlight your use of reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood. Market your work as environmentally responsible, durable, and made to last. A tagline like "crafted for homes that care" instantly connects with today's mindful buyers. Packaging is another detail that elevates your brand. Use natural wrapping, brown paper, jute string, small thank you notes, or stamped logos. These simple touches turn a delivery into an experience, prompting customers to share unboxing photos and videos that advertise your work for free. Every happy buyer becomes a storyteller for your brand. If you want to go even further, create a YouTube or TikTok channel showing your crafting process. A simple time-lapse of you carving a wooden decor piece can attract thousands of views. Combine those views with links to your shop, and you'll convert viewers into customers. Over time, your audience becomes a community, one that not only buys your art but supports your journey. Education can also be a secondary income stream. Offer short workshops, downloadable plans, or online courses teaching others how to make similar decor items. Teaching doesn't compete with your sales, it builds authority, strengthens your following, and provides passive income. The more people trust your expertise, the more they value your creations. One of the most fulfilling parts of this journey is how every sale carries a piece of your personality into someone's home. Handmade decor does more than decorate a home, it connects hearts, preserves culture, and tells stories. But for the modern craftsperson, it also opens doors to financial freedom. Every piece you carve, paint, or polish has the potential to enrich your life not only with pride but with profit. The world is filled with empty spaces waiting for your creativity. Your skill has the power to bring warmth into homes and consistency into your income. So keep designing, keep crafting, and keep believing that beauty and business can coexist beautifully. Your imagination is your currency, and when shaped with purpose, it can build a life filled with both art and abundance. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.